heading to Aburi. With the boss himself. Okay, so today is a Thursday, and this is the Aburi facility. 3 big greenhouses, and it's still raining. So because of this rain, we've been here for almost a month, which is unusual. Usually we are just here for less than a week. Sometimes less than 2 weeks we are out. But look how it's raining everywhere, and there are some insects that will chop you as well. So all these setup, we are done with the setup. So this is Trisolace. This is our Aburi project. We've been going in and out. We've been doing a few videos here and there, and this is the final stage where we grow the vegetation. So these are some of the vegetation. We have dwarf bananas. They are planted intervals. So the indigenous plantain will also be coming up, but we'll only be keeping them a bit. So once they grow very tall, we cut them. They add as a cover crop for us until we don't need them, then we cut them. So these are the irrigation systems. So the sprinkler system spread sometimes a meter apart. So every meter you have, so it spreads a meter to that side and a meter to this side. And then this is very, very good because almost all the parts will have water or moisture. And then we're also bringing in the dwarf bananas, the plantain, the sweet potatoes, the leaves, the boko leaves, the etc. So the land is slopey a bit, so we have to make sure that we'll bring a bit of sawdust and manure to aid so that there wouldn't be a lot of flooding on our system. So this is our setup, and already there are snails here already. That's a big grasshopper. So already there are some snails here. We have the AM. This is indigenous to the mountain side. So this is the AM. So this is the AM already here. They are indigenous to the place. There are a lot of frogs here as well. The There are a lot of toads as well. So these are the new planted places, and then we have the stepping blocks or stepping stone, and these are our irrigation or sprinkler systems that we have. So yeah, things went not so excellent, but it went okay. So this is one of the snails as well. The AMs love to climb up and climb everywhere, so yeah, that's their setup. So we have about close to 10 of the dwarf bananas here and the pawpaws. So let me give you a tour. Our system is a 15 by 5 meters greenhouse with a corridor or a small opening. So this is how they look like. Very, very beautiful, aesthetically pleasing. So these are them, and this is the other one. So we have 3 of the 15 by 5s here in Aburi. So this is the setup. So this is a poly tank, a 2,000 liter poly tank on a stand. The place is going to get very high pressure, very good pressure, because we raised the setup up higher than usual. So we are going to have a very good setup. And these are the tanks going to do the sprinkling. And there are some insects here, they'll chop you proper. So we brought some dwarf bananas as well, dwarf pawpaws. We're also having dwarf pawpaws. And then we have the sweet potatoes as well. So today we'll be doing all that. And this is how the place looks like. Very rocky. Okay, very rocky. And then this is how the setup looks like. So the client is building a wall as well. So we have the wall here. And there's a borehole here. So they dug a borehole with a pump. You are Makun. I'm there. So this is the whole setup. We have the solaric plastic button. So it has been very interesting. We always say there's no place like home.